The outline of the UFO-shaped watercraft is meticulously marked on the floor using precise measurements. Metal bars are cut, shaped, and welded to form a structural guide, creating the foundation for the mold. Next, soil is carefully spread and sculpted within the boundaries of this guide. Following the contours of the outline, the soil is shaped to form the cabin of the vessel, creating a negative mold ready to receive the mortar. Once the mortar cures and hardens, a release agent is applied, leaving a sturdy negative mold that serves as the backbone for constructing the UFO-shaped cabin. Fiberglass chopped strand mat is then layered over the mold, and liquid polymer resin is applied on top. As the resin cures, it bonds the fiberglass layers together, forming a strong and durable shell. To support the structure during assembly, a metal frame is built around the UFO cabin. This frame provides stability and safe access for the next stages of construction. The outer shell of the cabin is built by repeating the process of layering fiberglass mat and polymer resin directly over the frame. Additional structural components are added in the same way, reinforcing the cabin and preparing it for the windows, entry points, and final details. Once the shell has hardened, the negative mold is carefully removed. The edges of the fiberglass cabin are trimmed and sanded smooth, giving the surface a clean, professional finish. Finally, hexagonal drywall molds are cut and mounted to define the window openings, while rectangular molds are added on the dome for natural light. The entryway mold is installed last, providing support and shaping the main entrance of the UFO watercraft. Hexagonal patterns are carefully formed on the interior surface using fiberglass chopped strand mat and polymer resin. This creates a geometric design that is not only visually striking, but also adds strength while keeping the structure lightweight. The process enhances both the aesthetics and the structural integrity of the UFO cabin. The lower section of the watercraft is then constructed using the same techniques as the upper cabin, with the exception that it follows a flat profile rather than a dome shape. Every step ensures durability and alignment with the overall design. If you're enjoying this build, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. It's the best way to support the channel and keep more amazing projects coming. Next, the keel is crafted and carefully mounted to the lower section of the vessel. This essential component reduces sideways drift caused by wind or currents, helping the watercraft navigate smoothly and efficiently. All gaps and seams are reinforced with fiberglass mat and polymer resin, creating a watertight hull that ensures long-lasting performance. Excess material is trimmed and removed, leaving clean, precise edges ready for finishing touches. Finally, the propulsion system is installed directly on the keel. Additional supports secured in place, and rubber bushings are added to absorb vibrations, preventing any unwanted movement while maintaining a safe and stable setup for smooth operation on the water. The propulsion system assembly begins with the jet propulsion unit. This unit draws water in through an intake and expels it at high velocity through a nozzle, generating powerful thrust. A drive shaft is connected from the jet drive to the engine, transmitting rotational force and bringing the system to life. After cutting an additional opening for the intake grate, the lower hull of the watercraft is coated with a black protective layer. This enhances durability and protects the structure during operation, ensuring the vessel can handle prolonged exposure to water without damage. With these steps complete, the structural skeleton of the UFO-shaped watercraft is now fully assembled. The upper and lower sections, keel, and propulsion system come together as a solid, integrated framework ready for finishing. Finally, the moldings for the entrance and window openings are carefully removed. All edges are trimmed and smoothed, eliminating any roughness or irregularities left from the molding process. This ensures the cutouts are precise, clean, and ready for the next stages of construction. This step prepares the openings for doors, windows, and other finishing components, setting the stage to complete the cabin's form and functionality. Every edge is carefully trimmed and adjusted to ensure a precise fit for the upcoming installations. Next, the exhaust system is assembled, starting with the installation of a water box that acts as a muffler. By mixing cooling water with hot exhaust gases, the water box reduces both temperature and noise before the gases are expelled. Hoses are carefully placed over each fitting, and clamps are used to securely connect the water box to the exhaust manifold and pipe. The system injects cooling water into the exhaust line, lowering gas temperature and ensuring engine protection, noise reduction, and proper back pressure regulation. A smaller pipe is then installed for the steering linkage, connecting the handlebars to the steering nozzle at the rear. As the handlebars are turned, the nozzle pivots, directing the high-pressure water stream and allowing precise navigation. The linkage is routed through designated openings in the hull, aligned with the internal structure, and firmly attached to the steering handle. This setup ensures that every movement from the driver's handlebars is accurately transmitted to the nozzle, giving smooth and responsive steering. Finally, after the edges of the cabin openings are fully smoothed and verified for proper fit, the driver's seat is securely mounted in its designated position inside the cabin, completing a key step in preparing the Watercraft for operation. The engine case is carefully constructed using drywall boards reinforced with fiberglass chopped strand mat and polymer resin. This combination creates a lightweight, corrosion-resistant structure, perfectly suited for marine conditions. Next, the painting process begins with the interior of the Watercraft. Multiple even coats of paint are applied to ensure complete and consistent coverage. Once the interior is finished, the exterior is sprayed with marine-grade paint, providing long-lasting protection against water, UV exposure, and other harsh conditions. The entrance door is fabricated using the same materials as the main body of the Watercraft. After shaping, a protective coating is applied, followed by a layer of plaster to smooth out any surface imperfections. For added durability, an additional layer of fiberglass and polymer resin is applied, reinforcing the door against wear and impact. To improve accessibility and functionality, the door is divided into two sections. After cutting, excess material is carefully trimmed and all edges are smoothed, ensuring a precise fit and safe handling. A custom open and close mechanism is crafted using metal bars, heavy-duty screws, and electric tools. The metal bars are cut, shaped, and assembled into hinges and support arms, enabling smooth and reliable movement of the door sections. The system consists of two main components, a stationary section that remains fixed and moving sections that pivot on the hinges. The moving bars are securely attached to the stationary framework, ensuring stable, precise, and durable operation of the door. The doors are spray-painted with marine-grade paint that matches the Watercraft's body. Multiple even coats are applied to ensure complete coverage, durability, and full water resistance. A fabric mat is then carefully applied to the interior surface of each door, creating a smooth, even, and visually appealing finish. This step not only enhances the aesthetics of the doors, but also serves a functional purpose. The fabric layer conceals minor imperfections, such as surface inconsistencies or uneven textures, that may have arisen during fabrication. Next, the location for the open and close mechanism on the door is marked and precisely cut out. The mechanism is mounted using a specialized adhesive to ensure a secure bond and reinforced with strong screws for added stability. This meticulous installation guarantees that the door operates smoothly while withstanding the demands of a marine environment. Finally, a push-pull control rod system is assembled. This mechanism, commonly used to transfer motion and force from an actuator to a hinge component, allows precise and reliable movement of the door, ensuring consistent performance and long-term durability. First, a servo motor is installed to control the door mechanism, receiving signals to rotate and move a linkage that opens or closes the door. A threaded rod is connected to the actuator as a push-pull linkage, and a coiled spring is added to absorb shocks. A blue wire connects the actuator to the control system, ensuring smooth and responsive operation. The entire interior surface of the Watercraft is then covered with a fabric mat, matching the treatment used on the doors and creating a cohesive and polished look throughout the cabin. LED lights are installed into the cabin openings, with wiring neatly routed behind the panels and connected to the power source and control system. This lighting setup provides both functional and decorative illumination, enhancing visibility while emphasizing the futuristic aesthetic of the UFO-shaped Watercraft. Next, the dashboard is mounted and connected to the vessel's electrical and control systems, supporting overall operation and monitoring. The fuel tank is installed beneath the driver's seat, making efficient use of space while maintaining balance within the Watercraft. Fuel lines are carefully routed from the tank to the engine to ensure safe and reliable fuel delivery. The engine is fully wired and piped according to its layout, guaranteeing readiness for reliable operation. The accelerator pedal is assembled, including the pedal pad, arm, pivot point, return spring, and linkage, which connects directly to the propulsion system. Pressing the pedal controls fuel flow, regulating the vessel's speed efficiently and responsively. Finally, cast acrylic sheets are cut precisely to fit the window openings. The edges are primed, and advanced automotive window tint film is applied. This ceramic-based film absorbs and reflects heat and UV rays without interfering with electronic signals, providing comfort and protection for the occupants. The window tint also enhances privacy while protecting the interior from sun damage and fading, ensuring comfort and longevity for the Watercraft's cabin. If you made it all the way to the end, we want to sincerely thank you. Your support means a great deal to everyone involved in this project. You are among our most dedicated viewers, and we truly value your engagement. We promise to continue putting in the effort to make our next video even better for you. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. It really helps us more than you might realize. Thank you once again. Next, solar cells, also known as photovoltaic panels, are installed on the exterior surface of the Watercraft, typically on the upper surface exposed to sunlight. Conductive bus bars are welded to each solar cell to connect them in series, creating a continuous electrical path that conducts energy between the cells. These solar cells convert sunlight into electricity, providing a renewable power source capable of charging onboard batteries and powering the vessel systems. All the window components are carefully positioned and mounted into their openings using high-quality silicone adhesive. This creates a flexible, watertight seal that prevents leaks and withstands the stresses of marine environments. With all components in place, the UFO-shaped Watercraft is now fully assembled and ready for testing and launch. It stands poised to bring the creator's vision to life, designed to glide smoothly across the water just as imagined. After countless hours of dedication, skill, and vision, the UFO-shaped Watercraft is finally complete. A vivid dream transformed into an extraordinary reality. Every detail, from the meticulously crafted fiberglass cabin to the powerful propulsion system, reflects the passion, skill, and determination behind this creation. This Watercraft is more than just a vessel. It embodies the creator's dream, turning raw materials into a functional work of art. Each component tells a story of problem-solving and perseverance, proving that with dedication, even the most ambitious ideas can become a reality. If this project inspired you, don't forget to subscribe. Many more incredible creations are on the way, and you won't want to miss what's coming next.